Most coffins in the United States cost between $2,000 and $5,000, and yet they change nothing, or almost nothing. Because science says something most funeral homes don't want you to know. Burying a body without a coffin triggers a completely different process, one that humans have been ignoring for thousands of years. Today you'll discover exactly what happens to the body when the earth touches it directly, phase by phase, including one that most people never imagine exists. It all begins immediately after death. The heart stops, blood stops circulating, and cells start dying from lack of oxygen. But the most striking thing happens on the inside. The gut bacteria, the same ones that helped you digest food, detect that the immune system is no longer in control, and they start consuming the tissues from within. This process is called autolysis, the body digesting itself. And if the body is in direct contact with the earth, the moisture and microorganisms in the soil attack it from the outside at the same time. It's an attack from two fronts, and it's only just begun. In the first few days, putrefaction sets in. Bacteria produce gases, the body swells, the skin changes color. And here's something that surprises most people. A sealed coffin doesn't protect the body, it only slows things down. Without a coffin, insects and soil microorganisms gain direct access. What they do isn't destruction, it's recycling. Nature has been perfecting this system for millions of years, and it is brutally efficient. But the most intense part hasn't arrived yet. Weeks later, the insects arrive. Flies, beetles, larvae. In a coffinless burial, they can arrive sooner, in greater numbers, and with full access. The result is striking. Soft tissues can disappear within a matter of months, not years, months. But there's something that doesn't disappear so easily. The bones. Even after everything else is gone, the bones remain. But even they change. Moisture, minerals, and soil bacteria slowly infiltrate them, making them more fragile and porous over time. In warm, humid soil, this process takes decades. In cold, dry environments, it can take centuries. Which means that depending on where you're buried, a part of you could still be there hundreds of years from now. So when a body is buried without a coffin, it doesn't disappear overnight. It doesn't turn to dust in days. But nature begins its work much sooner, and it does so without rushing, without error, and without waste. Because in the end, the earth doesn't destroy the body. It recycles it, and slowly turns it back into part of the planet.